You can order the front bumper cover used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. In order to change the front bumper cover on your vehicle, you will need to remove the radiator support cover to have full access. Using a fork, remove the 4 holding rivets. Then remove the cover. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the 2 upper retaining bolts on the front bumper cover. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the bumper cover to the fender. Do the same on the other side. Using a fork, remove the 6 retaining rivets on the lower part of the bumper cover by prying their central parts. Disengage the bumper cover from the fender by pulling it out and then down. Pull the bumper cover out of its slot. The front bumper cover is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts holding the grille assembly in place. Then unclip the 2 grille retaining tabs. Then remove it. Turn the front bumper cover over and remove the retaining rivets by prying their central parts. You now need to separate the valance from the front bumper cover. Remove it by pulling it point to point to unclip it from its slot. You can order the front bumper cover used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Clip the valance back into the bumper cover. Then put the 2 rivets back in place. Put the grille assembly back in place. Then screw it on. Now you need to reinstall the front bumper cover. Then reattach each side to the bumper cover retainers. From the wheel arches, screw the bumper cover retaining screw back onto the fender. Screw the 2 upper bumper cover retaining bolts back on. Under the vehicle, put the rivets back in place. Take the new radiator support cover, then position it correctly. Remember to pass the cover under the fender mountings and the grille assembly. Then put the rivets back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.